In Chapter 3 of Supply Chain Management in Hospitality, the focus is obtain of role and importance of strategic supply chain decisions. For the hospitality industry, supply chain management is essential in ensuring a seamless guest experience, cost efficiency, and realism. Here are some key points topic covered. Efficient in operation. Supply chain helps hospitality business reduce costs and streamline operation, particularly in food and beverage supply, housekeeping supply, and amenities. Quality control. Hospitality businesses on high standard and supply chain management ensure that product consistently meet quality standard and enhancing guest satisfaction. Next is flexibility and responsiveness. Flexible supply chain help hospitality companies respond quickly to seasonal demand shift, especially events and unexpected events. Um, Sustainability and ethical sourcing in hospitality. Ethical sourcings and sustainability are increasingly important. Supply chain decisions can impact a company reputation as customers look for businesses committed to environmental and social responsibility. And supply relationship management, building strong relationship with suppliers ensure cons- consistent quality, better pricing, and more reliable delivery, which is crucial for maintaining a smooth operation.